I feel it's time for the public to be apprised of the situation at HMC following the Court of Appeals ruling on November 19th. I have been battling the Bermuda Health Council since March 2019 for the right to provide HIP and FutureCare patients with imaging services, as is already the case for many other healthcare providers on island. In my view, the Health Council has repeatedly reviewed our applications with their minds closed and their minds already made up. I'm afraid to say that despite our best efforts, the Council, and by extension, the Bermuda government, still refuses to give us standard health benefit approval. The granting of this approval for other healthcare providers, such as Bermuda Healthcare Services, the Brown Darrow Clinic, North Shore Medical, Ultimate Imaging, and Island Urology and Sonoview Imaging, has been the norm rather than a special privilege having to be fought over in the courts. As all of these clinics have been given SHB approval and are reimbursed by HIP and FutureCare for their scans, we finally and reluctantly resolved to take the matter to the Supreme Court last April. And the judge awarded us SHB status. And he perceived that we were dealt with unfairly by the Health Council. And indeed, I feel that we have been. This Bermuda is the perpetuation of a monopoly. The Bermuda Health Council is aware that they are supporting a monopoly, have acknowledged as much in court, and also acknowledge that they have no interest in disrupting the status quo.
Mr. Alan Martin, who said he was recently diagnosed with throat cancer and is unable to leave the island for treatment, had this to say about Dr. Soares and his new facility.
Bermuda, we have been given the greatest gift that one could have. State of the art. When I say state of the art, it looks like Star Wars. To help the people of this country. For those that can't afford to get on a plane and fly to Boston. This is money that's leaving this country. How dumb can you be? This facility is first class. No one should want to take it apart.
Dr. Soares says that the Health Council's concerns that his new facilities will somehow drive up the cost of health care is unfounded, and he says he wants to put an end to this years-long battle.
I am calling on government and the Health Council to put an end to perpetuating medical services monopolies that exist here. Approve my full-year application and include us in any new health plan going forward so that HIP and FutureCare patients, and indeed all Bermudians, can continue to have access to the very best and most up-to-date services provided by HMC Burnaby Urgent Care and Medical Imaging.